In this video, I will explain how to calculate the time duration between two date and time format. I am Samir Ghosh and you are watching my channel Samir's Class. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Let's start. I have a data of different equipment which fails and got right in different date and time format and different date and time interval. From this table, I want the duration of failure and sum of the total failures. For this, I will subtract D4 cell and D3 cell. Then I will type here is equal to D4 minus D3. Press enter. I will get the fraction data. By dragging the formula to the entire column, now I will get the fraction data. Now, by selecting this column, I will place Ctrl and 1. A format cell window will pop up. From this, go to the custom tab and I will choose here hours, minute, types and click OK. Now I will get the hour, minute type of data and again select this one, go to the format tab and here will type bracket before and after the hours and click OK. You will get the hours and minute data. Now, if I want to sum the total duration, then by using the sum formula, I will select the entire column and press enter. I will get the total duration of the time. Hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.